Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about if we can still view our referral code in Gcash. Okay, so to check that, let us open my Gcash application and then make sure to log in to your Gcash account. Okay, and then just have to tap out your PIN, and then right here you'd be redirected to your dashboard. And now let's click on our profile. So this one at the bottom right hand corner of our screen and would be directed to this page. And as you can see, my Gcash doesn't have an option where it says invite friends. So we can find the invite friends option here beside the view benefits. But as of the moment, Gcash already removed that option. So we can no longer use our referral code to invite our friends. So I think Gcash already removed this one because even though we're going to invite them and if they don't have any valid ID, they cannot access Gcash or they will not be able to make their Gcash account verified. So as of the moment, we just have to wait until the invite friends button will be available here in Gcash. So that is the answer for this question. I know a lot of people are asking why does the invite friends option is no longer available here on Gcash. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.